Good morning, students. We have completed exercise 8.1 and the next topic, area between two curves, is deleted from our current syllabus. That is the examples 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 all are deleted, and all the problems in the exercise of 8.2 are deleted. The entire exercise 8.2 as well as the examples related to the exercise are deleted. And in the miscellaneous examples we have example 11, 12, 13, 15. Here the examples 11, 12, 13, 15. So all the problems I am going to teach you, as well as in the miscellaneous exercise the problems in the miscellaneous exercise problems 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18 and 19 all are deleted. So these are all deleted for our current syllabus. So I am going to teach you the remaining problems only, and the example 14 is also deleted. Now miscellaneous exercise, problem number 1, subdivision 1. Problem number 1, subdivision 1. Find the area under the given curves and the given lines. Where we are given y equal to x square and x equal to 1 and x equal to 2 and x axis. This means the parabola y equal to x square is a open upward parabola and whose vertex is at origin, that is 0, 0, and this is y axis, x axis, and x equal to 1, say this is x equal to 1, and consider this part is x equal to 2. Therefore the required area is under the curve and bounded between two parallels x equal to 1 and x equal to and x axis. So this is the region we need to find the area. We know that area equal to integral a to b y dx, because the area, the limits are on x axis, that means vertical strips, that is integral a to b means 1 to 2, y means y dx means x square into dx, that is equal to x cube by 3 from 1 to 2. So that is equal to cube 8 by 3 minus 1 by 3 equal to 7 by 1 by 3, that is equal to 7 by 3 square units. Now second subdivision in this problem, we are given y equal to x power 4 and the ordinates x equal to 1 and x equal to 5 and x axis. The area of the region bounded by the curve x axis, x equal to 1 and x equal to 5. This is also a kind of parabola, open upward. So x axis, y axis, y equal to x power 4 and the ordinates x equal to 1 and x equal to 5. This is 0, 0. A equal to integral a to b y dx. Here the lower limit is 1, upper limit is 5, and the function y equal to x power 4 into dx. It is x power 5 by 5 from 1 to 5. So upper limit is 5 power 5 by 5 minus lower limit is 1 by 5. So this is 5 power 4. 5 power 4 means 625 minus 1 by 5 equal to 0.2. So this is equal to 624.8. 624.8 square units. This is the answer. So question number 3. Find the area of the region lying in the first quadrant of bounded by the curve y equal to 4x square and x equal to 0 y equal to 1, y equal to 4. This means x equal to 0 means y axis. So the area of the region bounded by the lines y equal to 1, y equal to 4 and y axis. Now here we can write this as x square equal to y by 4. So any quadratic equation in x is a parabola open upward. It also passes through origin. Put x equal to 0, we have y equal to 0. So it is a quadratic equation, I mean parabola open upward whose vertex is at origin 0, 0. This is y equal to 4x square, and we need to find x equal to 0 means y axis and the lines between y equal to 1 and y equal to 4. So this is y equal to 1, y equal to 4. So this is the region we need to find the area. The limits on y axis. So the formula integral a equal to c to d x into dy. Now x square equal to 4 by y means x equal to plus or minus root y by 2. Since we need to find the area in the first quadrant, x is positive. So this is equal to integral c to d means 1 to 4 and 1 by 2 into root y means y power 1 by 2 into dy. Now this is equal to half into y power 1 by 2 integrating y power 3 by 2 into 2 by 3. So from 1 to 4, this is 1 by 3 into 4 power 3 by 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1 by 3. 4 power 3 by 2 means 4 into 2, that is 8. 8 minus 1, 7, that is equal to 7 by 3 square units. Number 4. Sketch the graph of y equal to modulus of x plus 3 and evaluate integral minus 6 to 0 modulus of x plus 3 into dx. Now we have y equal to minus of x plus 3 for x is less than or equal to minus 3. So when x equal to minus 3, y becomes 0 for all the values less than minus 3, that is minus 2 and we have it is minus of x minus 3, y equal to x plus 3 for x is greater than or equal to minus 3. So when it is greater than minus 3, so here if it is minus 4 means minus 1, so we need put negative, and it is greater than 0, sorry, greater than minus 3, then y equal to x plus 3. For minus 2 it is plus 1, minus 1 plus 2. So the graph will be like this. This is x axis, y axis. When x equal to minus 3, y equal to 0. So this is the point. So this is minus 3, and fire from minus 3 it is in the direction of towards right of y axis, and from minus 3 it is left of. That means here y equal to x plus 3 and this is y equal to minus x minus 3, and this is minus 3 comma 0, and we need the area between minus 6 to 0. So minus 6 to 0 means, so let it be minus 6, that is x equal to minus 6, and minus 6 to 0, so x equal to 0. So this portion, so this is the area we need to find the, this is the region we need to find the area. So let it be A1 and this part be A2. Now area consists of A1 plus A2. So the total area required is A1 plus A2. A1 equal to integral minus 6 to 3 minus 3. So minus 6 to minus 3. So this part is minus of x plus 3, that is minus of x plus 3 into dx, plus A2 is integral minus 3 to 0, minus 3 to 0. Here it is positive x plus 3 into dx. So the first part is minus of x plus 3, integrating x plus 3, x square by 2 plus 3x from minus 6 to minus 3, plus we have here integrating this is x square by 2 plus 3x from minus 3 to 0. Now substitute the value, minus of, so upper limit means minus 3 the whole square, 9 by 2, and here it is minus 9. So this is upper limit minus lower limit. So it is 36 by 2 and minus 18. So this is first part, plus the second, the upper limit is 0 and the lower limit is minus 3. So minus 3 means it is 9 by 2 and minus 9, and the upper limit is, when we substitute it is 0, and minus of 9 by 2 minus 9. Now this is minus 9 by 2, minus into minus plus 9, and again minus 9 by 2 and plus 9. So this is equal to 9 plus 9, 18, minus 9 by 2 equal to minus 9, which is equal to 18 minus 9 square units. So this is the answer. Find the area bounded by the curve y equal to sin x. We are given y equal to sin x between x equal to 0 and x equal to 2 pi. Already we have studied in the 11th standard how to draw the sine curve. This is x axis, y axis, sin 0 0, and sin pi is again 0, and sin 2 pi is again 0. This is 0, pi, 2 pi. Here pi by 2, where sine curve attains its maximum value. Here 3 pi by 2, where sine curve attains its lowest value, minus 1. Now from the area from 0 to pi is equal to the area between pi to 2 pi because of equal interval. Therefore the area required is integral 0 to 2 pi. So y dx, a to b, here write a to b, y dx, that is equal to integral 0 to 2 pi. Y means sin x into dx. Since area between, that is integral 0 to pi, sin x is equal to integral pi to 2 pi sin x into dx, sin x into dx. So these areas are equal. Therefore we can write a equal to 2 into integral 0 to pi sin x into dx. So this is 2 into integrating sin x, we have minus cos x 0 to pi. So minus 2 into the upper limit is cos pi and minus cos 0, that is minus 2 into minus 1 minus 1. So minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 square units. So this is the. Next question number 16. All the remaining problems are deleted, that is from 6 to 15 the problems are deleted. Now 16 and 17 are objective type. Area bounded by the curve y equal to x cube. y equal to x cube, and the ordinates x equal to minus 2 and x equal to 1 is. See, the curve is cubical parabola. That means when you put x equal to 0, y equal to 0. When x is positive, that means put x equal to 1, x equal to 2, y is positive. And when x equal to negative, that is minus 1, minus 2, y is negative. Therefore, the curve lies in the first and third quadrant only and passes through origin. So, we need to draw this curve like this. So, this is y equal to x cube, y axis, x axis. Here it passes through origin 0, 0, and both are positive in the first quadrant because it is odd power, and both are negative since based on that is because of odd power only. Now we are given the ordinates minus 2 and 1. Let it be minus 2, x equal to minus 2, and here let it be x equal to 1. So the region needed to find the area is, I have shaded like this. So the area, total area is consist of A1 and A2. Let it be A1 and this part be A2. So A equal to A1 plus A2. Generally we know that A equal to integral A to B y dx because of horizontal, that means limits on x axis. So A1 equal to area, that is minus 2 to 0, minus 2 to 0, and y means x cube into dx. But since x is negative left of y axis, the value yielded will be negative. Therefore, we need to put one modulus. So in order to get the absolute value, for the right side is no problem. A2 lies in the right of y axis. Therefore, it is 0 to 1. Y dx means x cube into dx. So the first part is x power 4 by 4 from minus 2 to 0, minus 2 to 0, plus the second part is also x power 4 by 4 from 0 to 1. This is equal to, the upper limit is 0 and the lower limit is 0 minus. So x power 4 means 2 power minus 2 power 4, minus 2 power 4 is 16 by 4, 16 by 4, and plus the upper limit is 1, that is 1 by 4, and the lower limit is 0. So this is equal to 4 minus 16 plus 4. So this is modulus value, I am sorry. So putting modulus, it is positive. Here it is positive, that is equal to 16 by 4 plus 1 by 4 equal to 17 by 4 square units. Now the option here is D option. We have D option. Number 17, y equal to x into modulus of x, and the ordinates x equal to minus 1 and x equal to 1. When x equal to 0, y equal to 0. When x is negative, y is negative. Therefore, y equal to minus x square for x is less than or equal to 0, and y equal to x square for x is greater than or equal to 0. Because here modulus, for the negative value we have to put one minus negative value. So minus x into x minus x square. Again when x is greater than 0, it is positive. So x into x, x square. Now y equal to minus x square is a parabola open downward, whereas y equal to x square is a parabola open upward. So we need not put the parabola. So let it be the first part, parabola open upward, and the parabola open downward. Almost nearly the diagram what we have done drawn earlier. So it is y equal to minus x square. This part is y equal to minus x square, and this part is y equal to x square. Now we are given minus 1 to plus 1. So let it be minus 1, x equal to minus 1, and here x equal to 0, that is origin 0 comma 0, and consider this part is x equal to 1. So there are two regions needed to be find area. Let it be A1 and this be A2. Now A equal to integral A to B y dx, this is a formula, and here A equal to A1 plus A2, whereas A1 equal to y equal to minus x square, y equal to minus x square. So integral minus 1 to 0 minus 1 to 0 minus x square into dx, put one modulus because of the region bounded is left of y axis, and plus A2. So this is from 0 to 1, integral 0 to 1. So y dx means x square into dx. So integrating this, modulus of x cube by 3 minus x cube by 3, and between minus 1 to 0 and plus of x cube by 3 from 0 to 1. The first part is 0 and minus of minus 1 means minus 1 cube. So minus into minus plus 1 by 3 modulus plus upper limit is 1 by 3, the lower limit is 0, that is minus 0. This is equal to minus 1 by 3 is become 1 by 3, modulus of minus 1 by 3 1 by 3. The second part is 1 by 3, which is equal to 2 by 3 square units. 2 by 3 square units. The option is C. For the 17th, the option is C. Next example 11. Miscellaneous example 11. Find the area of the parabola y square equal to 4ax. Find the area of the parabola y square equal to 4ax bounded by its latus rectum. Now it passes through origin, so 0 comma 0, and the equation of latus rectum for the parabola open rightward is x equal to a, x equal to a. So this is y square equal to 4ax, and this is x equal to a. So this point is point of intersection of axis and latus rectum is a comma 0. Now this is the region. We have to find the area of this region. Now the curve is, that is parabola is symmetrical about x axis, symmetrical about x axis. Therefore area equal to 2 into area of parabola in first quadrant, that is equal to 2 into integral a to b y dx. Here y square equal to 4x, therefore y equal to plus or minus 2 root a root x. Since we are taking the area in the first quadrant, so y is positive, therefore it is 2 times from 0 to a. The lower limit is 0, the upper limit is a. So 0 to a, 0 to a, y means 2 root a, already we have 1 2, and therefore it is 4 root a into root x into dx. So this is equal to 4 root a into x power 3 by 2 into 2 by 3 from 0 to a. So bring the 2 by 3 to the outside. So it is 8 by 3 root a, and the upper limit is a power 3 by 2 and the lower limit is 0, that is 8 by 3 a root a into a power 3 by 2 means a into root a, which is equal to 8 by 3 root a into a square, 8 by 3 a square units. So this is the area required. 12. This is miscellaneous example 12. Find the area of the region bounded by the line y equal to 3x plus 2. 3x plus 2. The x-axis and the ordinates x equal to -1 and x equal to 1. Let us sketch the graph first. X-axis, y-axis. Here we need 2 points to draw a line. So put x equal to 0. Here x, y. Put x equal to 0, y equal to 2. Put y equal to 0, x equal to minus 2 by 3. So y attains 0 at x equal to minus 2 by 3. Let the point be minus 2 by 3, x equal to minus 2 by 3, and when x equal to 0, y equal to 2. So let it be here. Draw the line joining these 2 points. So this is the line y equal to 3x plus 2. 3x plus 2. Now compute the area. X equal to -1 means lower than minus 2 by 3. Say this is x equal to -1 and x equal to 1. So this is, say this is x equal to 1. X equal to 1. And there are 2 parts. One is left of x equal to minus 2 by 3. Another one is right of minus 2 by 3. So as usual we put A1 and A2. Two different region. One is A1, the another one is A2. Clearly A1 is lying in the left of y axis. So let area equal to integral a to b y dx, that is equal to a1 plus a2, and a1 is integral -1 to -2 by 3, that is below x axis, y is negative. So below x axis y is negative, therefore put one modulus for a1. This is modulus of integral -1 to -2 by 3, -1 to -2 by 3 y dx. So y means 3x plus 2 into dx, and plus the second one. Here it is above x axis, so y is positive. Now this is integral -2 by 3 to x equal to 1, that is 1. The same function 3x plus 2 into dx. 3x plus 2 into dx. Let us compute the value. First one is modulus of. So 3x means 3x square by 2 plus 2x from -1 to -2 by 3, and plus 3x square by 2 plus 2x from -2 by 3 to 1. I hope you can do the remaining part and substitute the values, you will be getting the answer. Next example 13. Find the area bounded by the curve y equal to cos s. We have done already x axis, I mean sin x. Here x equal to 0 and x equal to 2 pi, x equal to 0 and x equal to 2 pi. We know graph of cos x. Cos 0 equal to 1. So let's start with cos pi by 2 is 0, and again cos 3 pi by 2 is 0, and cos 2 pi equal to 1. So this is 2 pi, and this is 3 pi by 2, and this is pi. It is lowest value -1. Here it is pi by 2, and this one is 0. Here there are 3 regions. The first one is positive, the third one is also positive, the middle one is negative because it is lower than x-axis, therefore y is negative. So we need to put modulus for this part, and the other remaining part we can integrate directly. So write as usual a1, a2 and a3 for our convenient a1, a2, a3. We know that area equal to a to b integral y dx. So which is a1 plus a2 plus a3 area equal to. Now a1 equal to integral 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2 y equal to cos x into dx plus modulus of integral pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 cos x into dx and plus 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi cos x into dx. So a1 equal to sin x from 0 to pi by 2 and plus modulus of sin x from minus pi by 2 to minus it is pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 and pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 not minus plus sin x 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. Here upper limit is sin pi by 2 equal to 1 and lower limit is 0 plus here upper limit is 3 pi by 2, that is modulus of 3 pi by 2 is minus 1, again minus sin pi by 2 is minus 1 modulus plus the upper limit is 2 pi equal to 0. So minus sin 3 pi by 2 is minus 1. So this is equal to 1 plus minus 2 modulus of minus 2 equal to 2 only. Here minus of minus 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 4, 4 square units is the answer. Next, miscellaneous example 15. Find the area of the region x comma y defined as y is greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to x square plus 1. Y is greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to x square plus 1. And 0 less than or equal to y less than or equal to x plus 1 and x is less than or equal to 0, greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 2. So the function is defined, that is area of the function needed to be calculated is defined here. And so write the equation of this inequality y equal to x square plus 1, say this is first equation, and writing the equation of this inequality, that is y equal to x plus 1, say this is 2. Now equating 1 and 2, x square plus 1 equal to x plus 1, that means x square minus x equal to 0, x into x minus 1 equal to 0, either x equal to 0 or x equal to 1. So these two functions, that is curve and straight line, intersect at 0 and 1. Let us sketch the rough diagram. In the first function x square equal to y minus 1. So we can write this as, that means x minus 0 the whole square equal to y minus 1. This is in the form of x square equal to 4a x minus h the whole square, x minus h the whole square equal to 4a into y minus k. So the h comma k is 0 comma 1. So 0 comma 1 is the vertex of the parabola, and if it is a quadratic equation, the parabola is open upward. So the parabola is open upward and passing through the 0 comma 1. When x equal to 0, y equal to 1. So this is 0 comma 1, 0 comma 1. And in the straight line, when x equal to 0, y equal to 1. So it meets the line here when x equal to 0, y equal to 1, and when y equal to 0, x equal to minus 1. So it intersects here. So it goes like this. The point of intersection we have already told, either x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. So let it be x equal to 1. So this is x equal to 1, and we need to find the area bounded by the x square minus 1 but greater than 0, that is from the x axis lower than the curve. This means y is greater than 0 means above x axis and lower than the curve. So first one is here, and next one is, so y is greater than 0 and below the x plus 1 line, below the x plus 1 line, and x is greater than 0 means right of y axis and less than 2. So this is the line x equal to 2. Here right of y axis above x axis, the first region is this one. So from 0 to 1, and the next one is from 1 to 2 below the line, below the line. So say this is A1 and this is A2. Here A consists of A1 plus A2, where A equal to integral A to B y dx. So A equal to A1 means integral 0 to 1, integral 0 to 1, the area under the curve up to axis, that means y equal to x square plus 1, that is x square plus 1 into dx, and A2 is, here it is under the line from 1 to 2, that is integral 1 to 2. So below the line means y x plus 1 into dx. So which is equal to x cube by 3 plus x from 0 to 1, and it is x square by 2 plus x from 1 to 2, which is equal to, the upper limit is 1 by 3 plus 1 and the lower limit is 0, and clearly here it is upper limit is 2 square, 4 by 2 means 2 plus 2, and minus lower the limit, minus lower limit means minus of 1 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 1. So this is equal to 4 by 3 plus 4 and minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2. So this is equal to 2 3s are, the LCM of the denominator is 6. So this is 8 plus 24 minus 9. 24 plus is 32. 32 minus 9 means 23. So 23 by 6 square units. The required area is 23 by 6 square.